Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we'll see how you can connect multiple devices to one single monitor using this HDMI switch. And basically then you can toggle between the displays using this remote that's provided with the switch. So to begin with, the device that I have here, it supports up to 3 inputs. But currently I've just plugged my desktop and my laptop to the switch, and then it runs to the monitor. So using this remote, I can easily switch between the displays. So currently I've switched to my laptop, and then if I press 1, it switches back to my desktop. So that's how the switch works. So let's get to the physical connections part. So I'll unplug all of these cables and explain how the connections work and what you need to do to basically get this setup working. Alright, so I've unplugged all the cables, and this is the main unit of the package that you get with the switch. So on the front side, we've got the input indicators. So depending on the input that's currently active, the LED besides it will glow. And in case if you don't want to use the IR remote, then you can toggle between the inputs using this little button. And on the bottom here we have the output. So this is basically the output HDMI cable that would run into your monitor, and besides that we've got a DC 5-volt input. So this is again provided with the switch itself, and you need to plug it in here, and then the other end of that input is a normal USB connector. So you would need to either plug this to your laptop, or maybe if your monitor supports a USB connection, then you can connect it to the monitor itself. And this power input is only required when you're using this remote with the switch. If you intend to just use the manual button, then there's no need to power up the unit. Alright, so to the output, I'll be plugging in a HDMI cable, and this is basically running to my monitor. Now let's take a look at the other end. So over here we have input 1, 2 and 3. So this is basically where you would either be connecting your laptop or your desktop or any other device that supports a HDMI input. So the first thing that I'm going to connect is the HDMI cable that is running from my desktop, and then this second one is coming from the laptop. So those are the only two devices that I have at the moment. So let's skip input number 3, and if you can see already the light is glowing. Even if I unplug the power input, it's fine. That's only required if you intend to use the HDMI switch, or else you can use this manual button to toggle between the inputs. So anyway, for the complete setup, let's plug that back in. And the last bit of cable that we need to connect is this cable that's for the IR sensor. So on the side we have this little port that says IR, and that's basically where you need to connect this cable. And let me show the other end of that cable. It's actually connected to my monitor. So this is the IR sensor which will communicate with this remote and in turn with this device. So yeah, that's it. All our connections are done. So right now with our setup, I have a laptop and a desktop that's connected to just one single monitor. So let me move away, and then I can show you how this works again. So when I press 1, well, it's already on the first input. So when I press 2, it has switched to the laptop input, and when I press 1, it's going back to the desktop. So that's how you can toggle between inputs using this particular switch. So that's it, guys. That was a small video on how you can connect multiple devices to one single monitor. And if you want to buy this exact device, I have given a link in the description section below. So thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more such stuff.